CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.2. Explain wireless networking technologies. Bluetooth. As mentioned earlier in this course, Bluetooth is a wireless technology that allows devices to exchange data over short distances. It enables connections between devices such as smartphones, computers, headphones, speakers, keyboards, and even car audio systems without the need for physical cables. Bluetooth is designed for convenience, making it ideal for everyday tasks like listening to audio through wireless headphones or connecting peripheral devices quickly and easily. In a previous video segment on Bluetooth connectivity, we focused on how devices are paired from a user's perspective. In this video segment, we are stepping back to better understand how Bluetooth operates as a wireless networking technology and why it behaves differently from technologies like Wi-Fi. This higher-level view helps explain Bluetooth's strengths, limitations, and common use cases you may see in exam scenarios. Bluetooth operates using radio waves in the 2.4 GHz frequency band, which is the same general range used by many Wi-Fi networks. However, Bluetooth is optimized for short-range, low-power communication rather than high-speed data transfer. Since its introduction in 1999, Bluetooth has steadily evolved to become more reliable, efficient, and versatile. Early versions of Bluetooth faced challenges with interference and device compatibility, but improvements were made over time. Bluetooth 1.2 introduced better interference avoidance, helping devices coexist more smoothly with other wireless technologies. Bluetooth 2.0 increased data transfer speeds up to 3 megabits per second, and Bluetooth 2.1 simplified the pairing process, making connections easier for users. Bluetooth 3.0 introduced the ability to negotiate a Wi-Fi connection when transferring large amounts of data, allowing speeds of up to 24 megabits per second for those specific use cases. A major turning point came with Bluetooth 4.0, which introduced Bluetooth Low Energy, often called BLE. BLE was designed for devices that require very low power consumption, such as fitness trackers, smart sensors, and other IoT devices. Bluetooth 5.0 focused on improving speed, reliability, and range while maintaining low power usage. Under ideal conditions, Bluetooth 5.0 can support communication over distances up to 100 meters for certain devices. These improvements made Bluetooth more effective in environments with multiple connected devices and expanded its usefulness beyond simple point-to-point connections. Bluetooth 6.0 continues this evolution by further refining efficiency, responsiveness, and device awareness. While it maintains Bluetooth's short-range, low-power design, Bluetooth 6.0 enhances how devices interact and coordinate with one another, supporting more advanced use cases in areas like smart devices, wearables, and proximity-based applications. For the exam, it's important to recognize Bluetooth as an ongoing progression rather than focusing on specific performance numbers. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.